In this video, we will learn how to put TikTok video in slow motion on Snapchat. So let's begin.
So to put your TikTok video on Snapchat and make it slow motion, first you need to have a TikTok video. For that, open your TikTok. The process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So just go and open your TikTok app and download any of the video you want to share on Snapchat and make it slow motion. Now tap on this share icon and here tap on this download video to download the video. So here we have downloaded video in our gallery. Now we would open the Snapchat. So once you are here, just go and tap on this photo icon in the middle to open up your library for photos. And here tap on camera roll, that is the third option on the top. Now select the video you want to make the slow motion and put it on Snapchat. So here what you need to do is now tap on these three dots at the top and tap on edit video. Now first swipe right. So you can see we have an option of these three play buttons. So now again swipe right, again swipe right, again swipe right. So we had a snail option. So the slow-mo effect has been applied. So you can see the video is now slow-mo. So once the snail effects comes in, just go and tap on this next icon and you can post it on Snapchat. So we have to swipe right to get all the effects. So hope this video has helped you in posting your TikTok slow motion on Snapchat. But before you go, please like,